Join me as I dive into the world of work from home jobs and see if I can land one in just 24 hours. The idea of working from home has become super appealing, especially with the way the job market has become changing. More and more people are looking for ways to earn a living without being tied to a traditional office. And it is not hard to see why. Who wouldn't want to skip the commute and work in the pajamas? Welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to all you must know about online platform. In today's video, we'll be walking through the work from home jobs so that you can see how you can explore some of the opportunities given there. So stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video. The site link will be revealed to you in the video, so kindly stay positive. Alright, let's begin. What are the challenges or problems facing people that want to work from home? But let's be real, finding a legit work from home job can be tough. There are so many scams out there, and it is hard to know what's real and what is not. I have seen people got burned by fake job offers, and it is frustrating. And then there is a lack of information, and it can be hard to know where to start looking or what kind of job are even available. One of the biggest challenges in figuring out what skill you need to make it work. Do you need to be a tech whiz, a great writer, a social media guru? It can be overwhelming, and sometimes even when you think you have found a good opportunity, it turns out to be a total scam. So how do you navigate all this and find a work from home job that is right for you? There are actually a lot of different types of work from home jobs out there. We have things like freelance writing, the virtual assistants, online tutoring, and full-time options, from customer service reps to software developers. The key is to think about what you are good at and what you enjoy doing. If you are a self-motivated person who can stay organized, you might thrive in a work from home environment. For example, if you are great with Word, you might consider freelance writing or editing. If you are more of a people person, you might enjoy customer service or online coaching. And if you are tech savvy, you might be interested in web development or social media management. The possibilities are endless, and it is up to you to explore them. I have heard stories of people who have totally transformed their careers by taking a work from home job. They have been able to work on their own schedules, earn a great income, and have more time for the things they love. The benefits of work from home jobs are clear flexibility, autonomy, and often a better work-life balance. So, if you are thinking of making a leap, I say go for it. Research companies, brush up on your skill and start applying. You never know what is out there waiting for you. In conclusion, work from home jobs are definitely worth considering. They offer tons of benefits and can be a great way to take control of your career. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the work from home revolution? If you have had any experience with work from home jobs, good or bad, I do love to hear about them in the comments. And if you want to learn more about how to land a remote job, be sure to check out my next video for some tips. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Like and subscribe.